Hello friends, in this video I will make unboxing and a review of this soldering station. Let's begin. First thing that I don't like is that I don't have a manual in English or in my language. I have only in Polish. I use Google Translate and here says remove these screws. They are only for transport. Second thing, I have to put this stand. So first of all, let's test hot air. I mounted this small reduction. Let's power this on. Let's put first of all to minimum. Now let's use hot air to take this SND transistor. Yes, works perfect. Now let's take down this MOSFET. Yes, it's perfect. This looks like a high quality soldering iron. Doesn't look cheap at all. I will replace this peak with a copper one. You can watch my previous video and you will see how I destroyed my previous soldering station, putting thermal compound here on this heat resistor. I don't know the power of this soldering iron, but I will check in the specification. As you can see, even this is off. These LEDs are blinking. Let me tell you how much power it's taking. I have here a digital. It's taking only 5 watts. Now let's turn this soldering iron. It's not very quick, but it's working. Now let's desolder this IC. Doesn't have enough power for this multi-layer PCB. This needs much more power. Let's try on this simple PCB. Yes. Let's take another part. Now I will make a quick test. I will replace this peak with another one of high quality from copper. This one, as you can see, it's copper. Now that's exactly the same temperature setting. Let's see if now it works better. Now it's enough temperature. I don't know if you can see, but it's much better. So I have to say that my first impression are good, and this is a good choice. But you have to replace this original low quality peak with another high quality peak from copper, because will improve. Now let's see if with this peak we can take out same transistor from this multi-layer PCB. Transistor is very hot. I have to use a clamp. Now let's use hot air. Yes, I've did it. Now let's make the conclusions. What I like is that I received this stand for the soldering iron, and what I've noticed, this doesn't write Kraft and Delle Germany, it writes Kraft and Delle Professional. But if you find this at a good price, I advise you to buy it. If you have this device, please write a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.